Hey, what's up guys? It's Jace with Misfit Media, and have you ever had an idea for a restaurant event that you wanted to have? Maybe it's a grand opening, maybe it's a special dinner, but you really haven't felt like you had the right resources to make it happen. Well, one thing that's super easy in order to get customers to that special event is using Facebook ads. Now, a lot of our clients are familiar with Facebook events, but how do you use them in a way to maximize results and get the most people to your event? We recently did a grand opening for a couple different ice cream chains in Dallas, Texas. So once we had people registered to the event, now we can strategically run posts to these customers, getting them excited about the event and also educating them about the restaurant. After driving over 3,000 people interested or going to the event, we had a line around the door. Awesome guys, so now you're equipped to run better ads towards your restaurant events and more equipped for your next marketing campaign. All right, see ya.